Hello, my name is Trey Barnes. I'm a data solutions engineer with Asset Vue, and today I'm going to be going over the mass update panel in our Asset Vue 3 application. So on the screen here, I'm logged into Asset Vue 3 in my current instance. And as you can see up top, I'm selected on the maintenance screen here. So on the left-hand side, if I go into macros, you'll see that I have a macro that was already created in the instance that is the mass update panel. And on my right hand side here, you can see that we have task, and we also have the options to edit what's in our mass update panel. So if I were to hit the pencil icon here for the edit mode, you see that I have a variety of selections here, and I can choose to add more tasks to update the mass update panel if I were to choose. So looking through this list, you'll see that I have 4 properties, and one of them is a user-defined field, which is the employee assigned. So if I wanted to add a task here, you'll see that it will get populated. And then I also have this choice of selection. So we have our predetermined fields, which are called the asset properties. And then as you can see, I have the employee assigned, which is my user-defined field in this instance. So if I exit out of here, I don't want to add anything new. So I'm going to remove this one and actually hit cancel because I do want to use this employee assigned field here, which is already in my asset update panel. I hit cancel, go into assets, have a couple assets here. So let me just select these two. You'll see that once I select them on the left-hand side here, the mass update panel springs out. And from here, I can select a list of employees that I have here. So we'll do Joe, hit save, and you'll see that the assets are updated. So that's using the mass update panel in our Asset Vue 3 application. Thank you.